In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Private Internet Access VPN on your Mac. The first thing you need to do is to open your web browser, and you want to go to the Private Internet Access website. I'll leave a link to this website in the description of this video or in the pinned comment where you can get the best deal. Once you're here, you want to click on Get PIA VPN. From here, you want to choose the plan that works for you. So you can either choose a 1-month plan, a 6-month plan, or a 2-year plan, which currently works out to be the best deal. Once you've chosen your plan, you'll be emailed your details, which you'll use to log into your VPN account. So once you've chosen your plan, we now need to download Private Internet Access VPN. To do this, you want to hover over the Download VPN option at the very top, and then you want to choose Mac VPN. From here, you want to go ahead and click on Download PIA for Mac OS, and then you'll be prompted to install the installer, so I'm going to choose my desktop. So now we've downloaded the installer, you just want to double click on it, and it's going to extract the installer that is inside the archive. Once we've done this, you want to go ahead and open it up. And from here, it's going to prompt you whether you want to open the application from the internet, so you want to click on Open. And here you'll be prompted to enter in your Mac password, so we're going to do that now, and click on Install Helper. Once the Private Internet Access VPN has been installed, it should pop up automatically, and it should look like this. So all we need to do now is click on Login, and from here you want to log into your details that you received when you selected your plan earlier. So once you've signed into the VPN, you'll be taken to the home page, which looks like this. So to use the VPN, it's very simple. You can either click on this big button, which will connect you to the nearest VPN server, or you can select VPN servers by clicking on this button here, and you can browse through the list of countries that are available. In this case, I'm going to scroll all the way down to the United States, and I'm going to connect to the Baltimore server. Once I've done this, I'm going to click on the power button, and after a few seconds it's going to connect to that server, as you can see. So to show you this is currently working, all we need to do is go to whatsmyip.com, and if I refresh the page, it will update, and now it thinks I'm currently in the United States, in Baltimore, just as the server selected. And now I can start browsing the internet as if I'm from that country. If you want to customize the home page of the VPN, all you need to do is click on this drop down menu here, and you can see all of the available widgets. All you need to do is simply pin a widget to the home page, and if we press on the drop down menu again, as you can see, it is now pinned to the home page of the VPN. If you want to access your VPN server settings, you want to click on the 3 dots here in the top right, and here you can access your settings, such as general settings, protocols, and many more. And if you want to disconnect from a VPN server, just simply click on the power button, and after a few seconds it will disconnect. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.